You will notice a few things about the formatted Gemara, which will help you. Each line of the formatted Gemara is set out according to the question and answer of the Gemara, and makes it easier to follow the give and take of the Gemara. And furthermore, the formatted Gemara is color coded, so the key word for a question is in red, the key word for an answer is in blue, the key word for a statement is in black, the key word for a proof, which we haven't gotten to yet, is in green. We'll see. Those are the special words that indicate indicator words. Those are color coded, makes it easier. It's also split up into smaller pieces to work with each sugya, each little piece independently, so it makes it easier to master each piece separately. And of course, the workbook is there to hone the skills, review, make sure you got the skills down, and the hope is that you master every sugya independently, work it through, make sure you got it straight. You understand the translation, you understand the step-by-step, you got it down, you can read it inside in a regular Gemara. Ultimately, that's the goal. The goal, all of this materials was just in order to give you an avenue into the Gemara. The regular Vilna Shas looks a little daunting to the beginner because it has no punctuation, it has no vowelization, and it looks like one long run-on sentence for a whole Masechta. So it makes it this is a user-friendly approach. But the goal is that once you've reviewed it in here and you've gotten through all the steps and you really got it straight and you worked on it, you review it a few times and you do the exercises in the workbook, you will surprise yourself. You will be able to open up a regular Gemara and you can read it. And it works. So, and then you can be like the big rabbis with the big white beards that use the Vilna edition Gemara, and you'll find that it's not such a big bad wolf after all.
So the red represents what?
Red is a question, but it's only the key word. It's the word, the indicator word that indicates a question. I don't have the whole question, in red. Just the key words, those words that are indicating words that it's the beginning or the main word for the question is in red. If it's the main word for the answer, it's in blue. If it's the main word for the Gemara's word for a proof, or the Gemara's word for a statement, all of those are bolded and in that color code.
And what's green?
Proof.
Green is proof.
Proof. Clear? Have a good evening.